To detect negative energies at home, there are numerous techniques. With this simple trick, you'll know quickly and act accordingly. An energy periodic cleaning helps maintain the harmony of the house and all family members. Meet Tricks Easy Cleaning. How does the energy in the home? In the place we live, also we inhabit our energies. The house is a space of unity among family members, so that the energies of all become commonplace. Our feelings, emotions and thoughts not only emanate certain type of energy, but also attract. Negative energies can come home for various reasons. The family members are the main actors, although neighbors or visitors can also influence. Even the same envy can get to affect us. You can detect negative energies in various ways. The economy will begin to fluctuate, luck will no longer be on their side, and the relationships between household members are tightened. Besides discord, animals also behave strange. See them more anxious, restless and possibly cry for no apparent reason. The plants wilt, appliances break down, and to be places of the house where you no longer feel at ease. Possibly not notice all these symptoms at once, so it is essential to have other mechanisms to detect negative energies. How to detect negative energies with a glass of water. First, it is important to analyze what is happening in your home. Often they are not the energies that attract problems. If you think not find the real root of the problems, then try the next trick and detects bad vibes. 1. Get a glass of completely transparent glass. It should not have drawings, color, and cut. Also, keep in mind you can't reuse it again. If you have the possibility, you acquire a vessel with these characteristics, which we'll use only for this purpose. 2. Covers 1/3 of the container with salt sea. 3. Fill 2/3 of the container with white vinegar or apple cider organic. 4. It covers the remaining third with pure water. 5. Bring the glass to a room of the house, where you think the bad vibes are more powerful. It can be a place where you receive visits, where all members of the house to get together. 6. Put it in a hidden corner, and leave it there to stand for 24 hours. It is important that no one move the glass of place at that time. 7. The next day observe the state of the glass. If you are like as you left, then the bad vibes would not be in that room. Move the glass to another room and repeat the procedure. If you notice that the glass is as gasified, smudged colors or dyed green, then you need to make a clean energy. Any strange thing happens to the container, may be due to energy problems. In this case, the contents of the glass strip to the toilet and let the water flow. Wash the container well, add the ingredients again, and repeat the procedure in the same room for 24 hours. Do it as many times as necessary.